Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the world of AI. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys something that is possibly viable to replace ChatGPT's prompt engineering, as well as a new way of actually getting your prompts executed to create blog posts, videos, presentations, images, and much more. So before we actually get into that video, guys, I'm going to be highlighting some of my other videos, guys. If you guys haven't seen all of these videos, I highly recommend that you do. There's a lot of content as well as a lot of things that you can learn from, so I highly recommend you go subscribe, notify yourself for future updates, and comment down below what else you want to see. And please like this video, guys. It helps the algorithm. And with that thought, let's get right into the video. So basically, there's this new application that was recently created called Cohesive.so, and there's not a lot of input as well as a lot of awareness on what this application is. And basically what they're trying to do is they're trying to create a powerful AI website that does the exact same thing as what ChatGPT does, but it basically helps in more detail to create and articulate more prompts, as well as redefining it so that it is engineered to give you the right response with the right details. So I highly recommend you start using this because it's completely free. I just created my account actually right before this video, and I was just playing around with some of the things. So some of the features that you can see, obviously the feature of generative AI, they have the best quality of AI content. You can create a lot of cohesive as well as artificial creations using different prompts. You have 50 different templates to start with. There's always going to be continuous community as well as internal growth, and it's collaborative with your team, so you can continuously work. And this is just a demo of what they're trying to do and what they're trying to create. This is basically creating a blog post, and it does it within a few clicks, guys. This is how amazing it is. Like, if you think about it, this thing kind of looks a little bit better than ChatGPT. Obviously, I'm not saying it's better than ChatGPT because you can't really compare both of them, but it is a good supplement as well as something that you can actually use for different cases. Like, in this case, you can't get the same output of creating a blog like this using Cohesive or using ChatGPT. You get more of a definitive like answer in terms of a text, whereas in this you can get free AI generative content in terms of images. And that's basically some of the features that you can see. In terms of, let's highlight some of the features. Obviously, they focus on AI editing, so it creates as well as engineers your prompts. They have templates for different like basic prompts as well as different artificial creations. And basically what inspired them, this is their journey. They're trying to get a better GPT prompts crafted with prior files. They have limitless creativity, and they're obviously continuously working on more features. So with that thought, let's actually get into the actual what it actually does. So basically, say if I wanted to create a presentation, or let's say even a blog right now. Let's say create a blog about, let's say, the impact of solar panels. Goal: we want to increase sign up for our blog emails, and the tone is descriptive to push out sales. All right, so you just give it a context of what you're trying to create, and just out of the three definitive like answers of what you're trying to accomplish, it bases off the whole blog and what you're trying to do, and it creates the whole blog. And I believe it's a little bit even faster than ChatGPT in some sense. And you can see it creates this blog. Obviously, it's not as detailed, so you might need to tweak it a little bit and add certain things to make it a little bit better. Obviously, you can expand on some cases, and in some instances, if you want more information on something, you can tell it to write a little bit more, and it will actually do that. And as we saw in the demo, you can actually input different images as well as different contents in this actual blog, which you can actually copy and paste later and put it onto your blog post. And obviously, they also have a SEO feature, add keywords. You can also add keywords in terms of like getting your things ranked higher. Now, let me show you another example. Let me actually log in first, and I'll show you some of the templates. All right, so guys, also when you just click sign up, you can just use your Google account. It's completely free, and you're able to make this account very fast. And it's very new, if you can tell from like the actual amount of people liking it and viewing it, because it hasn't been out there and it hasn't gotten a lot of awareness. And personally, I just wanted to shine a light. My goal as a YouTuber is to shine light on different projects and applications to help promote a better use of artificial intelligence. And in this case, it will help ease off with like better day-to-day tasks. So the initial goal, like obviously something like this, which is free, it's amazing. So people can actually use their actual application to help them out. So I'm always gonna be sending out different things like this, as well as highlighting a lot of different applications. So if you like seeing stuff like this, please subscribe, guys. It would mean the world to me. Now, something that I wanted to talk about was their SEO. And basically, you can do a lot of things. Like, obviously, these templates are fairly new at the moment, but there's a community that has been continuously working on providing different prompts as well as different applications to help generate better algorithms to create certain prompts for your specific needs, basically. And they've been actually doing this with different things as well as for different categories. And eventually, as there's more people in the community, as well as there's more people actually working towards helping them create different ideas as well as different prompts, it will initially grow and get the snowball rolling, as well as getting different prompts so that you can actually use. So there's a lot of variety of things that you can actually do. So I highly recommend you check it out. In terms of Google Ads, if you're running something, you can get a good generative response as to what you're trying to do. If you're trying to get some keywords, obviously there's not that much for SEO, but I definitely recommend the blog title as well as the meta description generator. Social media, you have certain things, ads, e-commerce, and at the moment, these are some of the templates that they have. Obviously, you can do certain things that you can tell it that you want it to create. So like create, basically, if you wanted to create a PowerPoint, a presentation, you put in the prompts as well as the details that you want. I've actually just created one previously, and I wanted to create an 18 slide description on solar flare ink and selling out. Basically, I wanted to pitch as well as create a basic format as well as an outline for this actual presentation. And what it did is it created 18 different slides, as well as focusing on some of the important features to talk about in this presentation. Obviously, you can tweak it like I talked about. You can add as well as image, continuing text, and you can export it to another file. And this is just the gist of what they're trying to accomplish, guys. They're trying to create a better prompt base, as well as like a marketplace in a sense, as well as getting better prompt engineering to help the output of artificial as well as algorithms to help basically generate better AI content. And that's just the gist of today's video, guys. I wanted to highlight something cool like this. I definitely love shining light on certain things like Cohesive, so as well as different applications that help promote as well as make a better impact in the artificial intelligence society and community. So I hope you found this video interesting, guys. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Peace out.